What's up, folks? Borgia here. It is September 2nd. I just wanted to take a split second to document, or just at least document this thought of slight annoyance, borderline disgust with produce nowadays. This little example is your classic Chiquita that I just got down the road at Kroger. And I just got these guys yesterday. Yesterday. And I just want to show and they were yellow. They were a good looking yellow when I bought them. None of this discoloration was occurring. Just like overnight. I don't, and it seems to happen more often than not nowadays. Uh, a lot of times with bananas, uh, even even apples going bad real fast. Um, and I had a banana out of this batch just earlier this morning, and it was just the texture was weird. I mean, the texture is just weird across the board nowadays. I don't know if any of you people out there hearing this agree or not, but I mean, don't you agree? I mean, just produce across the board, your fruits, your vegetables. Like when you cut into um, a tomato and you're looking at it, it just looks weird now. It doesn't look right. The inside of it, there's weird things in it. The seeds don't look right. There's weird black specks. You know, uh, just it doesn't. And you get the thought in your mind, oh, I'm gonna take this banana back to Kroger's and demand I get a new batch of bananas. But I'm not gonna do that. I did think about it for a split second, but I'm like, I'll just make a little rant instead. Uh, just oh, humidifier, dehumidifier. Turn that off. And there was my big thumb. Yeah, I do all this just through my phone. I have no production value in this, I suppose. But anyhow, you get the gist of what I'm saying. Uh, so there was my one little thought of the moment. So that's what I will leave you with. Real short and sweet. Um, ain't it getting lame? Getting getting slightly annoying. You gotta get your item and buy it for consumption that moment. Yeah, and and they have the nerve to say that this is non-GMO and organic and all that, and whatever. Sure thing. All natural indeed. Sure. Yeah. So, until next time, folks, enjoy our wild America, please. All right.